Today, we dive into a fascinating story that resonates in every temple we visit, the temple bell. Sound was considered the purest form of energy. The syllable Om was said to be the sound of creation itself. The body of the bell represents the infinite universe. Welcome to LARA'S Ancient Tales. Today we dive into a fascinating story that resonates in every temple we visit, the temple bell. Its sound is more than just music to the ear. It carries centuries of history, spiritual significance, and even scientific meaning. Let us explore the ancient tales behind the temple bell. In the earliest Vedic times, sound was considered the purest form of energy. The syllable Om was said to be the sound of creation itself. Inspired by this philosophy, ancient sages believed that a bell's resonance connects the human soul to the divine cosmic vibration. That is why almost every temple, big or small, houses a bell at its entrance. Before stepping inside, devotees ring the bell, announcing their arrival to the deity. The bell itself holds deep symbolism. The top curved handle, often shaped like a Garuda, Nandi, or other divine form, represents the link between heaven and earth. The body of the bell represents the infinite universe. The tongue or clapper inside is considered the symbol of wisdom. When wisdom strikes the universe, divine sound is born. Hindu scriptures describe bells as Ghanta, and they are even mentioned in the Agama Shastra as essential for puja rituals. In one ancient tale, it is said that when a devotee rings the bell with a pure heart, it drives away evil forces and invites gods and goddesses to witness the prayer. Another belief is that the sound of the bell represents Anahata Nada, the eternal unstruck sound of the cosmos. The ancients were also scientists. Temple bells are made of a unique mixture of metals like copper, silver, gold, zinc, and bronze, carefully chosen to produce a long lasting reverberation of nearly 7 seconds. This duration is enough to activate all the 7 chakras of the human body, calming the mind and creating focus before worship. There are also many folk tales about temple bells. In some villages, it is said that the ringing of the bell is a call to the gods, reminding them not to forget their devotees. In Kerala and Tamil Nadu, temple bells are rung at specific times during daily rituals, a tradition believed to balance nature's energy. In the north, many people believe that the echo of the bell purifies not just the temple but the entire surrounding atmosphere. Interestingly, bells are not unique to Hinduism. In Buddhism, large bells are struck in monasteries to mark meditation. In Christianity, church bells call the faithful to prayer. All these traditions show one thing: the universal power of sound to connect humanity with the divine. So, the next time you enter a temple and ring the bell, remember, it is not just a ritual. It is a practice that carries ancient tales, spiritual meaning, and scientific wisdom. It is a sound that has been echoing through centuries, reminding us of the eternal bond between humans and the divine. This was the story of the ancient tales of the temple bell. If you enjoyed this journey into history and tradition, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Lara's Ancient Tales for more stories from our timeless past. Until next time, keep exploring and keep wondering.